guys. I'm in my new room, obviously. I just showered. We were basically at the beach all day, just amazing. And then it actually rained, but not that much, like maybe for like an hour. And we were in the middle of like getting our new room, so all good. We had lunch and I basically unpacked because we're gonna be here for 4 nights, and I had everything in my luggage. It was just like a mess. So now that I have everything out, let's do a little hair routine. So we're gonna go out to eat to this like hibachi restaurant tonight, and I thought I would just do a little curly hair routine with you guys. I really didn't film yesterday. Like I said, it was just like our first day, and I knew I couldn't take all my stuff out, so I wasn't even able to really do my hair routine. So I brought my Garnier Mousse, which I'm not going to use too much of because I'm saving this for using on my wedding day, but this is a good one. And it was hard to find. I wanted to pick up another bottle from Walmart, and then the Walmart I went to didn't have this. The Garnier gel, because I did have checked luggage gel. And then let's do the same on this side. Hello. Welcome back to honeymoon vlog. So kind of took a little rest and we're getting ready for dinner, and I'm about to put on a little bit of this. I brought this is like moisturizer. It smells really good. I got it from this like little like florist boutique in Pennsylvania. I'm drinking some Perrier. My nails chipped, but we're gonna move past it. I'm gonna use blue mascara. I'm really excited. Dress is White Fox. Earrings are old. I got my rings and these little bracelets that I got from Shein. I think I did a haul a while back. If you follow me on my other socials, you probably saw it. Let me show you guys the shoes. Oh my god. Okay, I just put the shoes on, so I want to show you guys the final reveal. I will have it over here too, like what I filmed for Instagram. But here's my outfit. Like I said, shoes are Steve Madden and dress is White Fox. I don't know why I keep wanting to say Meshki, but it's not Meshki. It's White Fox. And you? Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm actually gonna go get this like thing to wear over my shoulders in case I get a little cold. But yeah, let's go to dinner.
Been a while since I saw you. Only well wishes for you. Try my best to ignore you. Baby, you one of a kind. Heard you got a man, hope he spoils you. Cause you deserve someone loyal, someone who can adore you. Yeah, I know when you feel good, know when you sad. What get you mad? Things you done been through. I know the real you.
Ready? Yeah. Good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to go to the beach. I'm wearing my sparkly mermaid bikini today, which I'm excited for. This is the Kiehl's one. So I'm going for the tanning oil that I put on. Let me show you the pants. It's so cute.
I forgot to show you guys the pants, but long story short, I was sitting under my cabana at the beach. My audio was weird, so I thought I would do a voiceover and just sharing that it's nice and hot and it's literally gorgeous out. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you guys.
Hi. Okay, now you?